Hi everyone, Varun here once again from Language Academy, and I've got Jaskirat with me. She has recently cleared her PT exam. She has got 87 overall in PT academic, a very great score, reading 90, speaking 90, 87 in writing, and you have got 80 in listening, a very great score, 9 bands in 3 modules, a very great achievement, Jaskirat. And the very first thing I would like to ask you is that I remember at one point of time you know when you went for the exam previously, you took 2 or 3 attempts, I guess, and you are only missing by 1 point or 2 points every time, and you felt like giving up, that I won't give it, ever get it, will I get it, or how I'll get it. What was your motivation? What inspired you to keep on going for the exam? How did you motivate yourself? Because there are a lot of people out there who are in the same situation as you were at one point of time. They are about to give up. What do you think was very important or key factor which kept you going, motivated to go for the exam and crack it with 87 out of 19 PT?
First of all, I would like to thank the Language Academy who really helped me and pushed me like to take my scores in PT. And another thing I would say is like I feel like never give up because I have watched a few of the videos of the students of the Language Academy who scored really well in their exams. So all I can say is like just try to give the exams as much time unless you get it. So just
Going for that.
keep
that's,
going for
that's
it.
right, guys. So believe in yourself. If someone else has done it, you can do it as well. Never give up. Believe in yourself. Go for the exam. Practice hard, and you will crack your exam as well, like she did. 290s, 187, 180. A very great score. Let's move on to your listening. Listening was one of the section you were very scared about, and there are a lot of people out there who are getting 90s in all the sections, like you were at one point of time, but they're getting 74, 75 in listening. What do you think is very important for listening, and how should students, what strategies they should implement in their listening section so that their scores can go up like yours did?
Yeah, because the first thing I would like to explain is in speaking I was getting 90 and I was really kind of overconfident, like if I'm doing really well in speaking I do not need to focus on it. But the real problem was there with the repeat sentences and the retail lecture which Varun told me, like if I can improve on those things, then only will I be able to get in the listening. So knowing the right strategy and from where you will get the listening score, it's really important, guys. So don't waste your time just on doing the listening and not focusing on the right areas from where you can get the listening
That's
scores.
right, that's gold, guys. Very good point she has raised, that yes, if you're getting 90 in speaking, don't think that yes, I'm getting 90 in speaking, my speaking is very good. You may be getting 90 in speaking, but still you might be losing a lot of points in other sections because of your speaking. Because speaking is going to give you around 40 points in your listening section, and that is where everything will change, the game will change for you. Listening section, you have to focus on speaking. If you're struggling in listening, speaking, repeat sentences and retell lectures, very very important, guys. Let's come on to your reading. 90 perfect score in reading, you can't really get more than that. And there are a lot of people struggling in reading as well, and reading was always your strength, like most of the time you're getting 85, 86, and now you've got 90. What do you think is most important for reading, and how should students practice reading section so that they can ace their exam like you did?
Yeah. So in the reading, same as well. Like the read alouds, they contribute to your reading. It's more important to you focus on the right areas again. And the another thing is keep practicing. Like when you read more, you get more. And while you reading, do a lot of practice while reading. You get to know more new words and everything, and it will improve your reading as well. So there is like no shortcut to reading, but you will have to do it.
That's right, guys. No shortcuts to reading. You have to focus on the right areas. Focus on your speaking as well. Speaking is very important for your reading. And then read a lot, get to know new words, improve your vocabulary, which is very, very important in your reading section. And you will get 90 in reading as well. Just Kiran, let's wrap it up. Any final piece of advice for students out there who are preparing for the exam? What is your advice to them? How should they prepare for the exam, and how should they keep themselves motivated so that they can crack the exam like you did?
Yeah. So as I was also very disappointed with my few tests, and then you pushed me like, no, you can do it, and that thing also really helped me out. And another thing I will say is the mock tests you guys have given me, I have taken, they were really helpful because I get used to do the whole thing in 3 hours, and in the exam I just went like it's my mock test, and I didn't have really an intention like I will get it this time because the last 2 times I didn't get it. So it's like mock tests, they really help you, and they will prepare you for the real exam.
That's right, guys. Before you go for your exam, go for a few mock tests so that you have clear idea how everything works in the exam. What question will you'll get next? What is after what? How is the exam pattern? And you will be very comfortable with the exam pattern, and you will crack your exam like she did. And that's it from this video, guys. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
That's it, guys. I'll see you very soon in another video. Thanks, guys.